I have been wanting to do a skincare series for you guys for so long, and I think I am finally getting around to doing it. Hey guys, welcome back. I've had a long day, but before I hit the sack, I wanted to show you my nighttime skincare routine. One that I've been following for about 10 days now, and it consists of my absolute favorite skin ingredient, and that is vitamin C. So this regime that I've been following consists of 4 products, all from the same brand called Wow Skin Science. I believe it's a Bangalore based brand. So there is a face wash, there is a skin toner mist, there is also a 20% serum, and there is a face cream. Now the lovely thing about this brand is that the products are super affordable and free of all the nasty chemicals like mineral oils, sulfates, parabens. None of the bad stuff is in there. So I'm gonna go now and start removing my makeup and start doing my skincare. And as I do all of these steps, I will keep telling you what I think about each product. Let me tell you that this is not a sponsored video. These products were sent to me so that I can review them for you guys. And as always, your girl is going to give you her unfiltered and unbiased opinion. So I'll start cleansing with the vitamin C face wash. This is the applicator. This is what you use to clean your face. It has soft silicone bristles. The foam dispenses out of it and it really cleanses the face well. It has a nice, delicate, citrusy fragrance. I'm going to rinse this off and move on to the vitamin C skin mist toner. Now you spray this directly onto your face. I found this to have a pretty strong fragrance. It was really orangey, so if you don't like strong fragrances, you can avoid this. The next thing I'm going to use is the vitamin C serum, which is a 20% serum. I'm just taking 1 pump of this, working it onto my hands and patting it into the skin. This also has a pretty strong smell and a very synthetic one at that. I like to press this into my under eyes as well so that they are also brightened. Moving on to the last step of this regime is the face cream. I love this packaging so much because it is so hygienic. You just press it down and it dispenses a good amount of product. I like to work this into my hands. I love it because it doesn't contaminate the rest of the cream and you don't have to keep dipping into it again and again. I massage my whole face with this. It is super hydrating and I feel like the hydration lasts till the morning. Even when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels really plump and hydrated because of this cream. When it comes to skincare, vitamin C is undoubtedly a miracle worker. I would suggest that you incorporate lots of vitamin C in your diet as well, because that will help increase your cell turnover and you will change a layer of your skin faster. Ever since I started using these skincare products, my skin has definitely brightened up. I had a few marks on my nose from pimples, which have also lightened up. So if someone were to ask me which are my 2 favorites from this range, I would pick the face wash because of how refreshing it is and how much I love the applicator, and the face cream because I think it goes on beautifully and is super hydrating. So that'll be all for today. I hope that you found this video helpful. I can't wait to talk to you guys again really soon. Bye.